Hi, hello friends. A very good afternoon to everyone. I hope you are enjoying this Sunday and on this special weekend. I'm going to tell you about the Nethali fry, Nethali 60 fry. You can do either as 65 or you can do tawa fry for this. So, what are all the items I have taken? Let me show that to you. I have taken 1 kg of Nethali here. I have cut it. Now, in this one point you have to note. I have cleaned this Nethali. I have not taken the tail edges. I have left, you can see this, I have left some of the tail to its end to stick it. Because when we fry or make curry in this Nethali, this will become in two halves when we add to boil or to fry. So if we don't cut this ends, it will not break into two parts. In this Nethali only you should be very careful. Don't take the tail part too much. You have to leave some of its tail part to stick on the Nethali itself. So everything I have taken like this only. You can see this tail. I have left a little bit of tail. I have not cut this. If I cut this, then it will break into two halves. Remember that. I have taken turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, garam masala, 2 tablespoons of curd, half of lemon, a little bit of ginger garlic paste. No, don't add too much of ginger garlic paste in this, because when we are adding all this masala and when we are frying, it will get stick to the pan. Please don't take too much of ginger garlic paste. Only a little bit of ginger garlic paste you have to take. I have taken 2 spoons of rice flour here, 2 tablespoons of maida, refined flour, and 2.5 tablespoons of corn flour powder. So for the coloring agent, I am going to add Kashmiri red chili powder. As you all know, I don't use coloring agent. In case I don't have only, I will be using that. So these are all the items you have to add in Nethali 65. Now I have taken a clean pan here. We will add all the masalas. I have taken Kashmiri chili powder for the coloring agent. I have taken a pan. Let me all the masalas. I am going to add the ginger garlic paste in this. A little bit only I have taken. Now to this I am going to add chili powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, this is full 2 tablespoons. I have taken turmeric powder here. I have taken 1 tablespoon of salt here. Now we will see, check for the seasoning. If we need more, we can add. I am going to take 1 full teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 full full tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder I have taken here. To this I am going to add the rice flour. I have kept some, and if I need more I will be adding this. This is 2 tablespoons. I have added 1 tablespoon there. And maida, 2 tablespoons I have added. The corn flour, 2.5 tablespoons. The whole thing I have added to this. Now to this I will be adding the curd, 2 tablespoons of curd, and I am going to squeeze out the lemon juice, half of lemon juice. Now mix all these masalas nicely, then we will be adding the Nethali. By adding a little bit of water, I have mixed all the masalas together. Now I am going to add nettali to this. Give a nice mix. Give a nice mix. Now I have mixed all those masalas with the nettali. See how nicely it has got caught. Now we will marinate this for 15 minutes or up to half an hour. And then we will be back for frying. Now I have taken out from the fridge after 20 minutes. I have kept another pan here. Going to add oil in that. 65 needs more oil. So I am adding 200 grams of oil in this. Now this oil should be in medium heat, not too much of heat. Should not be in low heat also. Medium heat it should be. Now just drop one and see whether the oil is heated or not. Yes, it is heated. Now we will add the rest. Add little by little. Don't add more. It will get stick to each other. I added one portion of the nettali and we will leave this for 1 to 2 minutes. This we are doing as deep frying. If you want tawa fry also you can do. You just have to keep on tawa, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and just tawa fry on it. This is deep fry 65. Now when you are adding this to hot oil, don't turn it up very soon. Let it be in the oil for whole 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Then only you have to turn this. If you turn it immediately, then it will catch to the pan. So as you can see this, now see my nettali fry. I left off in the oil for some time. The oil should be hot, as I have told you, not low heat, not high heat, medium high heat. We have to fry this. Should not let the flame should be in high only. Now take this one portion and then I will be adding the next part of the nettali to it, to the oil. When you are taking it out, slow down the flame and take it, and when you are adding, the flame should be in high. When you are adding the other part of the nettali, it should be in high flame. Remember, add one by one, don't mix up. The flame should be in high only when you are adding nettali. Then only it will be easily coming out. Otherwise it will stick to the pan. Now see, without touching the pan, without sticking to the pan, it's coming out. The flame is high, it will come out very easily. Now I want to tell you something. The first set when I added, I took off very soon. I turned it very soon to the other side. So it has a break and the masala has not stick to this. You can see this. This is the first set that I added. Then I noted it. We have to put in hot oil. We should not turn for the whole 1 to 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes only, we have to turn this. In the next part, it came out so beautifully. Look at this and look at this. So don't make a wrong. When you add in the oil should be hot and you should not turn it very soonly. Let it be there in the hot oil for the whole 1.5 minutes and then turn. You will get a perfect nettali 65 as they serve in hotels. Now to this, I'm going to add some curry leaves on top of it, and a lemon I have added here. This will very well go with biryani and whatever dish you want. So please do try it at home. Comment me if you have any doubts. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Have a nice day. Bye.